Quite frankly, I was just over all the gels with the harmful products, the harmful alcohols, products that might cause you cancer. So I took it upon myself to make the best natural gel that I know. What's up guys, my name is Life and welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new. You already know what's up. I'm making flaxseed gel, so let's go ahead and get right into it. So here are the ingredients that I will be using to make the flaxseed gel. I have the whole flax seeds, non-GMO, excellent source of fiber, 6 grams of protein. Measuring cups, you'll be needing a 1/4 measuring cup for the flax seeds, and then you'll be needing a whole cup for the water. And this is optional, but I will be using some aloe vera gel for just some added moisture. So those are the ingredients that I will be using for today. Here is the equipment that you will be needing. First, you need a regular saucepan so you can boil the stuff. Then we have a jar, which is what you're going to store the flaxseed gel in, and then you have a strainer to strain the gel, and then this is optional, but I have a big pot here to put the gel in before I put it in the jar. So yeah, this is the equipment that you will be needing. So I'm gonna chime in here. You're gonna keep it on the high heat until it starts to boil like this, and then you're gonna cut the heat down to a lower heat so it can kind of like simmer for about like 10 minutes or so. You also want to stir regularly. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, here I think I cut the heat down too low because as you can see it's runny and it looks like nothing is happening. So I would just say you can be the best judge of if the heat is too high or too low. So you do want to start it off about 5 minutes while it's boiling, and then you do want to cut it down to like a lower heat but not too low. So here I cut the heat back up a little bit and now you can see it's bubbling and it looks like it's forming the gel again. So this is about after 15 minutes or so, and a good way to check the consistency is to scoop it up with a spoon and to let it drip down. As you can see, it looks kind of like a jelly-like consistency, and that's how you know it's ready. Alright, so once it's done, you want to strain it while it's still hot. So here I am setting up my little straining station. I'm putting the strainer on top of the pot so I can easily pour the gel into the pot to separate it from the flax seeds. This method is easier for me because as you can see, if I were to strain it directly inside the jar, it might get a little messy and fall out. So I just like to do it inside the pot. So that's what you see here. The gel goes nicely inside the pot and the flax seeds are strained. To make sure I separate all the gel I can from the flax seeds, I like to go in with this spatula and smooth it to make sure I get all the gel out. Once that step is done, you then have your mason jar, and what you're going to do is simply transfer the gel inside the mason jar. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the gel in this jar, and this is going to allow you to store the gel inside the refrigerator. If you wanted to add something like vitamin E oil, it'll make the flaxseed gel last even longer. But yeah, it's a wonderful gel. It adds a lot of shine, a lot of slip. It's great for detangling. It's good for your edges. If you would like to see how I use it, or if you try this recipe, let me know how it goes down in the comments below. But as always, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another curl care moment with me. Okay, bye guys.